want to push?
Right now we're about to, we want to put sawdust in the bottoms of these beds for insulation values so that the cold doesn't come up through. So we thought we would put some drainage in here also. What we're going to do is have a pipe outside wall come into each bed at a central location so that if these beds start to get too wet, holding too much moisture in the bottom, we'll be able to drain it out. It's an experiment. I think that's worth trying. If it works, it'll be great. If not, plug the pipe and we're all good. But we've got to try it.
Yeah, it looks great. So you're trying to make sure that the water drains out of the greenhouse.
Any excess water, even if we have an accidental watering problem,
pipe breakage
or something where one of the beds gets filled with way too much water, we're going to have a way to get rid of it and control the moisture content throughout the bed.
Yeah, and we don't have access to styrofoam or anything like that. We're just using what we have on site because we're so far off grid.
Yeah, well, sawdust, they use sawdust to insulate ice houses. You'll notice at my sawmill, I was cutting, there's some sawdust on the ground. There's still snow and ice underneath that sawdust. So it's done an awesome job of insulating, so we're going to be using it.
So we have the sawdust over here ready to go in this bed. Pre-drilling holes before you screw, and still some have cracked, so you got to be really careful. But it's looking really good. Let's go around and look from the outside. Alright, so it's July 9th and we've already got some tomatoes coming along here. Look at the little baby melons. Nice. Big pumpkins already. Oh, the tomato harvest is going to be amazing. These all just have to ripen up. Got some wild heirlooms like this Rebel Starfighter. Look at these things. They're incredible. Lots of Swiss chard. Got some purple broccoli coming up. And all these hanging peas. They're just perfect. Zucchini. It's looking good. Everything's looking good. Look at this wall of beans.